Hey guys, this little polar bear thing turned out pretty good. It's supposed to stand up on its own like that. But if if it was for me, I'd go and cut a nice piece of walnut or a nice piece of oak square block and glue this to that so it stands up, and then you can put it on your shelf anywhere you want, or if you wanted somebody like me to print a a, a panda bear, a normal panda bear that's taller, so it'd be like the dad or the mom, and this little guy is reaching up for their parents or whatever. But oh well. Now I'm just waiting for this other print to start, this water dragon again that I gotta redo. So alrighty, you guys have a good one. Hey guys, this guy just got done. Turned out pretty good. Alrighty, guys. Well, on to the next print.